Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get your Bitcoin address in Coinbase. First, log into your Coinbase account on the website or mobile app. Once logged in, look for the Receive option, usually found on the main dashboard or in your Portfolio section. Tap or click on Receive to proceed. This action will open a new screen where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. After clicking Receive, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Make sure to select Bitcoin or BTC from this list. It's crucial to pick the correct asset to avoid any transfer issues. Once Bitcoin is selected, your unique Bitcoin address will appear. This address is a long string of letters and numbers, often accompanied by a QR code for easy scanning. You can easily copy your Bitcoin address by tapping the copy icon next to it. This ensures accuracy when sharing. Share this copied address with the person or service sending you Bitcoin. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to prevent errors. Remember, your Bitcoin address is public, but your private key should always remain confidential and secure. Always ensure you are sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address, not another cryptocurrency, as this can result in permanent loss. Also, be aware of network fees and confirmation times, which can vary. For a fresh car, check out Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Remember, once a Bitcoin transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed, so always be careful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.